This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to lift a Honda CR-V. Lifting your CR-V can significantly improve its off-road performance and give it a more aggressive look. We'll cover the essential steps to safely install a lift kit, which typically raises your vehicle by a few inches. This modification allows for bigger tires and better ground clearance, making your CR-V more capable on various terrains. Let's get started on transforming your vehicle. Before you begin, safety is paramount. You'll need a sturdy floor jack, at least 2 reliable jack stands, and a comprehensive wrench and socket set. Always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface, the parking brake is engaged, and the wheels are chalked for extra security. Never work under a vehicle supported only by a jack. Refer to your CR-V's manual for correct lifting points and torque values to ensure a safe and proper installation. For the front suspension, begin by loosening the lug nuts, then safely lifting your CR-V and placing it on jack stands. Remove the front wheels. You'll then need to disconnect the brake lines and sway bar links from the strut assembly. Carefully remove the strut, install the lift spacers, and then reinstall the strut and all disconnected components. Ensure all bolts are tightened to factory specifications for safety and proper function. The rear suspension lift follows a similar process to the front. After safely supporting the vehicle and removing the rear wheels, you'll install the lift spacers. Reassemble all components, ensuring every bolt is securely tightened to the manufacturer's recommended torque. Once both front and rear lift kits are installed, it is crucial to get a professional 4-wheel alignment. This ensures proper handling, tire wear, and overall vehicle safety after the suspension geometry has changed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.